Hi everyone, welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Joanne, and I'm here to help you master Excel with our easy-to-follow video tutorials. In today's tutorial, we'll be exploring how to link cells between different Excel spreadsheets. We'll go over how to take data from one spreadsheet located in the same workbook, as well as from a spreadsheet in a separate Excel file. Are you ready to get started? Let's do this. To display information from another spreadsheet within a single workbook, start by selecting the cell where the data should appear. In this case, we'll select cell C4, which is where we want to show the sales for quarter 1. To start, we can enter an equal sign into the cell. After this, we can open the spreadsheet containing the data that we want to display in this cell. To access details of the Western region, sales for individual quarters, let's go to the sheet labelled Sales West. To view only the total for quarter 1, simply click on cell C8, press Enter, and you're done. Cell C4 in the spreadsheet Totals West contains the total sales data taken from the spreadsheet Sales West. If we select cell C4, we can view the formula that Excel has generated for the link. In Excel, the equal sign is used to indicate the beginning of a formula. This is followed by single quotation marks with the name of the spreadsheet, Sales West. After this, an exclamation mark is used to indicate the cell which contains the data we need. In this case, cell C8. It's worth noting that there's a helpful tool which can make transferring data from the spreadsheet Sales West to the other cells in this row much faster and easier. To copy the link, select the cell with the formula, then drag the lower right corner of the cell downwards or to the right to apply the formula to the rest of the quarters. If we make a change to the Sales West spreadsheet, such as altering John's sales figure for quarter 1, the result will be reflected in the linked sheet Totals West. The formulas of the link work dynamically, so any changes will be automatically updated in the second sheet. Now, let's proceed and explore how to connect cells located in different Excel files. For this example, we will use a folder containing 3 Excel files. These files contain the sales figures for the West and East regions, as well as a totals file which summarizes all the data. Let's open all 3 files at once, and let's open the file with the total sales information. We will create a link in this spreadsheet to the data from both regions for each of the 4 quarters, which are stored in 2 different Excel files. To create a link to a different Excel file, click into the selected cell and enter the equal sign. Then, go to the View tab and select the Switch Windows option. This will provide you with a list of currently opened files. Select Sales West to view the workbook. To access the data for quarter 1, click on cell C4 and press Enter. You should now see the data for quarter 1. Excel return to the Sales Totals file and place the Q1 value from the Sales West file into the cell C4, exactly as requested. Let's take a moment to evaluate it. When we open the C4 cell in Excel, we can see how it connects 2 files together through formulas. We previously created connections between different parts of the same workbook. However, this is a slightly different process. To begin, we see an equal sign, followed by a file name in square brackets, as well as the name of the sheet, all within single quotes. Lastly, a reference to the cell which holds the information we wish to display. Unfortunately, unlike our last example, copying this formula for all quarters would not be successful. The reference to cell C4 includes $ for formatting, which indicates this cell is absolute. An absolute cell reference is fixed, which means that when a formula containing this reference is copied, the reference will remain unchanged and only refer to the original cell. In this case, we don't actually want this. Let's get rid of the $ for now. If you'd like to learn more about absolute cell references in Excel, you can watch the video tutorial we've included the link to in the description below. Once the $ have been removed, press Enter and copy the formula. by dragging the lower right corner of the cell to the cells containing the remaining quarters. Once we have finished processing Sales West, we can use the same steps to transfer the data from the Sales East file into the file with the totals. That's complete the linking of both spreadsheets into the master spreadsheet. We hope that these two methods for linking cells between Excel spreadsheets are simple and helpful to you. If you found this tutorial useful, please show your appreciation by giving the video a like. Are you new to Sheet Leveler? If you would like to improve your Excel skills, hit the subscribe button and learn how to use Excel like a boss. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.